Hey guys, it's Rashmi here.
I realized while editing that there were no transitions whatsoever. So, voila. So, I'll let you with the following clips. Hopefully, it all makes sense. Allez, bisous.
So I just wanted to come in just to give a little bit of context because there are a lot of different clips and it's all over the place, but that's basically a representation of what life is at the moment. So voila. So basically I received the inserts sometime in August. I'll put the date so you'll see the dates on the clip.
Oh my god! I finally received the box with the insert, so I just couldn't wait for this box to be opened and just check everything was as I was expecting to arrive. So, Alleluia! This was a happy moment, as you can read on my face.
And that was an Alleluia type of moment because I was expecting that parcel for so long and I didn't even know when I'll receive it. So it was very difficult to plan everything around it when you don't have a specific timeline or a date. So that was such a huge relief to know that they were actually with me and how I had expected them to be. So voila. And then you also saw, or you will see the shoot for the tutorial for the website.
I'm so excited to share some behind the scenes with you guys. So this is the night my friend came over to film the tutorial for the website.
Si t'as des pinces à linge, ça m'arrange, je sais pas. Des pinces, n'importe quoi, quelque chose qui pourrait tenir. Non. Ah oui, pour les cheveux. Très bonne idée. Excuse-moi.
This is cute little Mowgli saying hi. He had to go to the vet, but he's fine, don't worry. And this is us prepping for the shoot, putting everything in place. Teamwork all the way. And then we had to fix the panel just to make sure that everything was in the frame.
Voilà, et puis repose. Voilà. Ok, là maintenant tu peux prendre une autre, donc celle de droite, voilà. Mais par contre, faut pas que tu hésites. Donc avance, dans pas décidé, tu prends ta bleue. Ok, super. Je pense que celle-là était bien. Ok, je refais.
Don't mind my face. I must have had 20 hours of sleep over that week. It was rough. So, yeah.
Parce que tu vois, là, c'est pas marqué beaucoup, donc du coup, le plus important, c'est qu'on voit celui-là. On dirait des bâtonnets de glace.
We were all very much exhausted because on that day it was over 30 degrees and it took us roughly 6 hours to film a 30-second tutorial for the website. Over the next clips, you'll see me take the same takes over and over again just because it takes so many takes to get the perfect shot. So, bear with me.
Franchement, c'est pas mal, hein? Pas mal du tout. Tu peux le faire plus vite, tu peux faire genre pa. Okay. Ça c'est mon produit. Pa. Okay. Voilà, en plus bas. C'était pas mal. Parfait. Plus vif ta main droite. Et tu peux regarder ce que tu fais. Enfin, ah, c'est pas mal. Vas-y, refais. Vite. Vas-y. Non. Encore une fois. Tu fais ya, tu me le lances. Ouais. Non, mince, ça a perdu la netteté. Vas-y, refais. Faut le faire vite, comme ça il a la netteté. Légèrement tes deux mains. Voilà, super. Et relâche. Ok. Parfait.
So we finished filming around midnight, and you want to know the best part? Is that this video right here is not the one we used for the website. We had to do it all over again. Wow. So yeah, but that's a story for another day.
So that was another challenge because I was not expecting that at all. It was it was the first time for me, so so it came with loads of challenges, and yeah, and because that specific timeline, because I'm so grateful to my friend, si tu passes par là, merci encore, because she was available to help me in such a short period of time. Like, I was on a time crunch and she made it possible. Yeah, I really don't know what I would have done without her, to be honest. So yeah, it was a very, very long shoot, but in the end I'm very happy with the results because yeah, if you haven't seen the video, you should. And but as I was saying, it was a very, very challenging time because there was a lot happening, and to be honest, I would have loved to have everything filmed, like everything that I went through, not just for even for me to see what I've gone through and how I've managed to do all of it, because it's sometimes when you're in the midst of it, it's very difficult because you don't see the end of the tunnel. But once you do things, you're like, wow, I've done so much. And I never thought that I would be able to do all of this, to be honest. And, sometimes life tries you in different ways. And this is actually a life lesson. And it's still painful to me, to be honest, because it was a lot. It was very, very difficult because, I didn't sleep enough. It was, and then you have, on top of all of this, unexpected stuff happening, and that it's like an extra bullet that you take, and that is when it becomes very, very challenging and difficult. And I'm trying, I keep on saying this, but I'm trying to take some time to reflect on all of it because it's still painful. But hopefully one day I'll be able to say, well, I've gone through all of this. And yeah, so, but for now, I'm not quite there yet. So voila.
And while I'm at it, I might as well share with you the behind the scenes on our podcast with my friend Teddy. So here you go.
Qui ouvre le bal de toute manière.
Oui, attends, je pas valide, mais voilà, hop là. Ok. Allô, allô, est-ce que ça marche? Oui. Ok, c'est bon. Laisse-moi réfléchir.
You might wonder what is happening here. So here I'm with my good friend Teddy, and we have a podcast together called À vos idées, prêts, partez, avec Mimi et Teddy. And on this podcast, we share our ideas, our experiences of actually having a business idea and how we manage to go through our challenges, and what goes through our minds when we have difficulties, or when basically any type of emotions that you can go through when you are actually starting something brand new and something that you're passionate about. So if you're interested, you're welcome to find us on Spotify. It's called À vos idées, prêts, partez, avec Mimi et Teddy. So all of this is done in French. Donc mes amis francophones, vous êtes les bienvenus à nous écouter sur Spotify. And here are little clips of what was done on the specific day's episode. So I'll leave you with that.
voilà, moi le truc du regret, c'est vraiment un truc, je me dis, voilà, fais-le, vas-y, vois si ça marche ou si ça marche pas, et tu apprendras quelque chose et tu diras que tu ne regrettes pas de ce truc, ce projet.
Oui, mais parce que c'est
Ça, c'est-
différent, c'est ce que j'essaye de dire, c'est que, imaginons, donc toi, t'aimes bien le dessin, donc tu
Mhm.
te dis, entre guillemets, c'était tout trouvé,
Mhm.
hein, tu te lances là-dedans. Maintenant, quelqu'un qui n'a pas de passion ou bien quelque chose dont il pourrait se dire, bon, bah, c'est ça que je vais faire, tu fais quoi?
Mhm.
T'as envie de te lancer dans quelque chose, mais tu sais juste pas dans quoi.
Mhm.
Donc après, bon, il y a aujourd'hui, il y a des moyens de trouver une voie, ta voie, et puis après, t'es pas non plus cantonné à une seule voie, hein. Tu peux faire plusieurs choses hein, et bien différentes aussi, de changer, de switcher, de revenir.
Ouais, exactement.
Voilà, tu peux faire différentes choses, donc ça c'est cool. Mais je pense que, en tout cas moi quand je parle autour de moi, une des thématiques qui revient, c'est en fait, oui j'aimerais bien, mais je sais pas dans quoi me lancer, quoi.
Mhm.
Tu vois? Donc c'est un des freins.
So yeah, so that was the little update for making this video full and complete. So I hope you love this type of format. I don't know how often I'll be able to do this, just because, as I mentioned, it's not something that comes naturally to me to actually take a camera out and film everything that I do in a day. So I hope, because this is the type of content that I enjoy making and doing and watching, so I would really like to have this for myself as well.
And voila! Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And also always make sure that every step that you take is comfortable and confident. Until next time, take care of yourself. Bisous bisous!